Hi guys, we arrived in Santorini yesterday, so this is our second day here. We're just walking through the town of Fira and we're going to go grab some breakfast and then hire an ATV to go around the city, so it should be lots of fun.
So guys, we just got the ATV and we are waiting for the guy to deliver to our hotel. So today's going to be a full day packed with a lot of adventures. So look at this view. So I'll show you, we just got the guy to deliver the quad bike and yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. Always wanted to get one of these and yeah, it's going to be nice. So
I think it's good that it has a cover as well.
Yeah, so this one has a cover. It's really hot. I think, well, what is it now?
Oh, it's probably like nearly 30 degrees, I think.
I think it's more than 30 degrees. It's not less than 30.
Do you want to include extra insurance for the buggy for damages?
Yes, let's do that, yeah. So yeah, we just got the buggy. It looks really nice. It's a little bit loud, but what we're going to do is we're going to turn it off for now, and we're going to go grab the bags and everything that we need. So. Driver? How much you need? Full foot. Yo, that ride on the ATV or the buggy, that was amazing. We are in the old town right now, so we're just exploring. I think this is the goal for today, so go to as many places as we can, explore, because tomorrow we're going to be having the cruise. So yeah, so Renee thinks there's a lot of nice food as well, so yes. We are getting hungry. Are you hungry now?
Yeah, nearly.
Look at this, you can see the beach, and this is, look at this. This is really nice. Very historic. Market in front of us, I think. It looks like a maze, like honestly you can get lost here. So we're just going to be careful. Which one?
Castle up here.
So there's a castle up there, so we're going to go head up and see that castle. Heat?
Oh, it's very hot.
Yeah, I think Renee is a little bit quiet here as well, so because of the heat.
And the climbing. Okay, so we've just made it to the castle, which is at the top of Pyrgos, and we might go in now and have a look.
I don't know if we are supposed to be here. All for the adventure, even though I'm really scared of heights. And you can tell that I'm scared of heights. I don't know. Oh wow, look. Whew, God, look at this view. I think there's a better way to get to this view, because obviously these stairs are 100% dangerous, but I'm telling you, these shoes are really not made for these stairs. It doesn't look as bad in the camera, but they are very slippery. So we made it all the way to the top. It's really windy, so I'm sorry about the mic. guys, we're just getting ice cream. It's really hot. We've got the Oreo. This is my choice. So look at this, just reverse parked here as well. So just to let you know, good driver. It's really windy. Now we are right next to the beach. Look at the beach. And we just noticed something on this beach. You can't really see it from here, but what people do is they draw love hearts just right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's what they do. So you're gonna have to climb all the way down to be able to do that. Renee, you gonna go down?
Ready?
All the way down there.
Oh, not down there.
Really tired now. So the plan is to go back to the hotel, refresh, you know, change what we are wearing. We've got plenty of space. Yeah? Do you think so?
Yeah.
So Renee guided this mission and we were successful. So have a look. Park right here. Really fucking close. This guy needs to open the door and there's plenty of space here. Ah, yeah, so I think that's where everyone goes to take photos. Renee, so far, what do you think?
It's very pretty. I like it.
We're trying to find the building with the blue, you know, thing on it, white and blue, and we don't want to wait in line, so that's what we are doing right now. So have a look. Looking up from here, you can see everything. Basically, I think this is like a better location to take photos as well. So there's not many people here. It's a little, you know, it's busy. Look at this. It's really busy, but compared to the other place, I think this one is good. What do you think?
Yeah, it's very pretty. You can see all the buildings here.
So you literally can see a lot of stuff from here, you know. You can see the whole buildings. I'll show you. You know, mountains are my favorite. Would you think so?
Yeah,
mountains
I agree.
or ocean? What do you think? What do you like more?
Together.
Both? 50-50? That's, you know, that's rare. So yeah, we've taken the photos now and I think we're going to go back to the location that I showed you just before. But I don't think we're going to be waiting in line because I'm not going to be doing that. So that's a waste of time. Yeah, like even this spot right here, I'll show you. Look at the background behind. That's, yeah, that looks perfect. That's Renee's suggestion. We've been out all day, so we've eaten before like 2 hours ago. Or maybe 3 hours, was it, Renee? Yeah. Alright, let's say 3 hours ago, but now I can go for a big meal. So I think one more spot. We'll take a couple more photos. We take a couple more photos and that's it. Think of it so far. You like it?
Yeah, it's really pretty.
The only bad thing, I mean, like, it's not a bad thing, it's a good problem to have, but there's a lot of choices in Mykonos. A lot of choices. So sometimes, sorry, it's Santorini. Let's start this again. So there's a lot of options to choose from. I guess it's a good problem to have, but there's a lot of options. Sometimes, like, you just can't, you know, decide what you want to eat. And obviously, you know, have a look at this view. We just reached right here. Look at this one. This is really nice. Let's have a look. So this is the view behind me. We're going to choose something to eat. I'm not sure what I'm going to be choosing, but I think Renee knows what she's going to choose. What are you going to choose?
Maybe. They have like stuffed peppers and tomatoes with like rice and meat, which could be nice.
Yeah, so I'll show you what it looks like at the restaurant. So I'm going to go up there a little bit and then I'm going to go down. So today we're heading out to the cruise. We slept like babies yesterday. So now we need to go catch the transfer.
So we're just waiting for the boat now in Ia, as you can see behind us there. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, so the boat should arrive in like maybe 5 minutes and we're gonna start boarding soon. So we are ready for this cruise. And I think the boat is just right there. So guys, we just made it on the cruise. We are right here. The boat is really nice, so I'm going to be showing you around. And so far, what do you think, Renee?
Yeah, it's great. We're sort of arriving at one of the stops, I think.
Yeah, so I'll show you. We'll go around. It's really nice. And I think we're going to be arriving somewhere in the front, right there. And yeah, so far so nice. I think that's out in front. What is that? Is that the volcano?
I'm actually not sure. It might be part of the volcano.
I think it's part of the volcano as well. So have a look at the view. Look at this. That's my head with the view. So it looks really nice. Yeah, so we're going to be, you know, enjoying it. Hopefully we're going to be swimming as well. Get some nice footage. So we are heading to the second location. We're going to stop again and swim.
And I think the second location, I think it's Red Beach.
Making the barbecue right now and just recording him. Really hungry. So we just finished the cruise, guys. It was amazing. This is the last meal right here. So I've got Renee right here. The view is just amazing. What do you think?
Yeah, it's beautiful. We actually came back to the same restaurant because we loved it so much.
Yeah, this one was not, you can't really compare it to the one from yesterday, but I think this is good enough for the last night, the last meal.
Στη χειραποσκευή σας για την απογείωση και την προσγείωση. Σας ευχαριστούμε για την προσοχή σας.